Okay, we're looking at the Chapman Campground here. This is off Money's Bend Road. The campground is straight ahead. There is a big hill in the middle of the campground, and as you can see, it's the only dry piece of land there. The main entrance is next to the house in the bottom right with the pool. It goes all the way down to a boat ramp where the silver roofed building is. That is two slips for campers. If you'll see the gazebo in the lower section of the screen, it is broken loose and bouncing or floating and bobbing up and down. So it may not be there in the next few days. Let's hope that it does. As we swing around, you see two awnings. Both of those have campers under them, and both of the campers have water up to the windows. The pine tree at the lower part of the left-hand screen is where my campers sit, and there's about 7 feet to 8 feet of water right there. Again, you can see the gazebo in the picture, and the pontoon boat. It is broken loose from its mooring. It was tied next to the next to the gazebo. There's actually two campers in this campground that are floating. One of those is the white camper in the center of the screen, and the other one is the camper under the pine tree on the right-hand side. It's actually floating, and water's almost over the roof of it. So there's mass destruction here in the Chapman Campground on Money's Bend.